Hey guys, I ended up just picking up this Stringray. Guy down the road from me had it outside, free sign on it, and it's been sitting for a very long time. You can see the forks are a little rusty, just surface rust. And I was just going through motors that I had laying around. This is the motor off the mini bike that I just put the 224 on. And this motor will fit just like this one. Only thing is, it's got a non-Hemi style valve cover, but the Hemi style 212 fits in there, and this is that motor that had the rod bearing go out. So I think this is gonna be the new home for it. I'll have to make an engine plate and everything underneath for it. Not gonna run a chain to the rear wheel, and I got a jack shaft that I might be able to put a jack shaft on here. I don't know how strong these are, but I figured might as well try it. Break it, ain't gonna matter. I can always go with the sprocket on the other side, but I'd probably just do a jack shaft. But yeah, I've been kind of looking for one of these bikes. Problem is everybody wants so much for them, but came across one. I do have the rear fender for it, and it was missing the front fender, but it's not the end of the world. But I'm getting ready to take the mini bike out for a ride right now, so that'll be the next clip. Alright guys, got the mini bike on the dirt roads. See how this thing rides and stuff. So far 46.9 mile an hour is what I've done on it just to get out here. Go ahead and get it started. I think these foot pegs right there, I'm going to be doing something differently. Your feet kind of want to slide out when you're riding it. This thing actually gets up and goes.
Yeah, I did have to go through and rejet this thing. It had a 95 jet in it, and I noticed I didn't have full throttle, so I ended up bumping it up to like a 115. And since I did that, this thing got mid-range and full throttle just fine. But man, you give this thing throttle, it just goes. Doing a front brake on this thing, which I'm going to be doing. They just re-graveled these roads, so they're a little bit slick. This thing's gonna be so much fun once I get this legal for the street. But yeah, seems to be going really good. You don't really have to, it just goes. I am feeling a little bit of a shake, but I think it's my belt. Or you know what? No, it's probably the belt. About get pushing 50 miles an hour, you start feeling a little bit of vibration. But yeah, this thing seems to be doing really well now. And like I said, I found a new home for that 212, so hopefully be getting that done. It's good. That one's gonna take probably a little bit of time because I'm gonna definitely have to get some parts for that to get that one set right. Oh yeah, I was gonna show the headlight. So basically all you do is you flip the switch, flick it on, and you can see that it's on right now. I also too I just ordered a GY6 inverter, and I ordered a battery that shows all the digitals, shows all the voltage and stuff, and how much voltage is going into the battery. And I'm gonna probably be mounting that somewhere right in here, or try to tuck it up in here. And then that pretty much solves all my problems, and then I can go ahead and start getting turn signals and getting all that stuff done. But yeah, here she is. A little bit mad about the gas tank issue, but you know, to be honest, like I said, that one's got the fuel gauge on it. So alright, thanks for watching.